The zero charge scam. All right, this is another scam that the uniform rental companies love to do. What they love to do is, for somehow you may cancel something and leave it on there, or they'll have tools on there like a dust mop frame. They're gonna have a locker. They're gonna have a mop frame, all kinds of things that they could put on there. A bag frame. And you look on there and you're confident, say, oh, well, I'm not being charged for it. But guess what? Here's what you need to look at. It's a future charge. It's something where they can add a future charge onto that line item if they want to. If you look at your contract, they can increase their prices whenever they want to. And so the best thing that you can do is tell your uniform rental driver or your manager, hey, delete this off of my invoice. I don't want to see that. Well, they're going to tell you, well, it's zero. Why are you worried about it? No, I'm worried about it. Take it off of my invoice. I don't want to see it there anymore. And so that's what you have to do. It's a scam. It's one of those things that gives them options. And what you want to do with the uniform rental companies is take away their options. So don't give them any more options. And like, subscribe, share this with some of your friends, your business owner friends. Maybe I can help them. Talk to you soon.